Hello, my name is Sandra Munoz. I am a student in business administration. My opinion about the negative and positive effect of technology on the environment, well, from my point of view, technology has negative effect on the environment because the large amounts technological ways storing homes without use are a risk because if they are discarded and missing common ways, they can release highly polluting substances. They will affect the environment and the health of the population. Um, for example, mm, every year cellular company can offer new cellular phone. And but what will happen? The old cellular phone that you are going to be used, um, all technological garbage will be our destruction if we care of the earth. Um, how do you say the future of our planet? Well, um, if people don't change their habit, um, I believe the future of our planet is bad. However, I hope that everyone begins to care of the environment, maybe with something as small as learning recycling, for example. How to mitigate the environmental change? Um, well, some people say, I wish I could help, but they don't do nothing. Uh, However, I consider everyone contribute with a small action like an recycling, reforesting, respecting nature, taking care of wild, taking care of animals. So we will mitigate environmental damage. Thank you.